So in previous episodes, we covered some of the basics like search results page, what is a product detail page, and what is a child parent variation, and what do they mean. But today I'm going to cover the buy box, what it is and why is it so important for your ads. It's a thing that is sitting on every product detail page and indirectly influences how your ads behave. So by the end of this video, you'll exactly know what the buy box is, where you can find it, and where you can check inside your Seller Central on are you winning the buy box or not, and what is the percentage of you winning it. So let's jump straight onto Amazon. So on every little product detail page, you will see the usual, the image stack, the title, bullet points, and everything else. There are some of the ads and all the other things that I already covered. And this thing here, this rectangle box, that's the buy box, or recently Amazon started calling that featured offer, but buy box is kind of a standard name. What it shows you is that the delivery information, what is it for regular users and for Prime members. You can choose how many you want to buy, of course, add to cart and buy now. What is important is that here, when it says sold by, if this is sold by the brand name is your brand name, that means you own the buy box. Because it may sound strange, but multiple sellers can own the buy box if they are selling the same product. So if you're only the only one selling your product, in 99% of cases, you will own your buy box, but there are some things that can prevent you from owning the buy box, even if it's only you who's selling, but we'll leave that for later episodes. For now, you need to understand that buy box is crucial and owning the buy box is crucial for your ads. And I'll tell you later why. Now, what determines the buy box and if you own it or not, or whoever owns it, is a big topic and is outside of this scope where we cover how it relates to PPC. But you can look that up. There's a list, I think, of 10 to 15 different things on what determines who wins the buy box. In short, it can be, is it delivered by Amazon or delivered by merchant, delivered by seller, the price and all the other things. But let's keep it simple. So you have to own your buy box, and I'm going to show you how to check if you're owning the buy box or not. So let's head over to business reports, and you should navigate to your business reports, and once that is open, navigate down to your detail page sales and traffic by ASIN. This is very important because in this report by ASIN, you will be able to see for each of your ASINs if you're owning the buy box. So where is it shown? It's called, as I said, featured offer percentage. Now, Amazon doesn't say buy box percentage, but featured offer percentage. If you don't see this, it means that it's hidden over here. You should click show or hide columns and then locate it over here and click featured offer percentage. Now, if you're the only seller, in majority of cases, it's going to be 99 point something. That means 100%. Don't stress why it's 99.86. So that's how you can check for each of your ASINs if you're winning the buy box or not. And you can also alter the date ranges because this is in the last 30 days. If you want to check for a particular day or today, you should update the date range and it will show you featured buy box offer. So how this all relates to PPC and why are you learning this? Because if you don't own the buy box, for example, it can be that if you increase the price of your product too much, you can trigger the buy box ineligibility and you will lose the buy box. Let's say, or whatever happens, if you don't own the buy box, you can run your ads, you can set the pretty good budgets, competitive bids, good keywords and everything, but if you lost the buy box for whatever reason, your ads won't run. So you will be under impression that everything is going fine, but in reality your ads are not delivered. So that's why buy box is very important and you need to track if everything is going right or not. Now, there are multiple ways you can be sure that you own the buy box, and there are ways to set alerts for this, but we'll cover that in the later episodes. So the biggest takeaway for you from this episode is what is the buy box, because we'll be constantly mentioning buy box over this course. So just for the time being, it's this part, it's the most important thing, because when you start to advertise products where multiple sellers are advertising, reselling the same product, you may end up running ads to this product and you're bringing visitors. But if somebody else is owning the buy box, you're basically advertising for themselves. So you're showing your product through ads to interested customers, and when they click add to cart or buy now, they're buying from your competitor. So you don't want to have this situation at all. That is it for this episode regarding the buy box. In the next episode, I'll be talking about brand store, what it is, why is it important, and how to get it. So stay tuned.